Hey guys, welcome back to Pro Guide. Today we talk about Yagoo Dentures. These are supposed to be easy, snap-on or mold-at-home full dentures with strong suction, no glue needed, comfy for eating, and they claim to protect your jawbone and keep your face shape nice. They promise a quick, cheap smile fix without going to a dentist. I'll explain the claims, what real people say, and if it's legit or a scam. Simple words for beginners. So, Yagoo says these are medical-grade dentures made in the USA with adaptive fit. You heat or mold them to your gums fast for a secure hold. Key features include no slipping with tough food, natural look, and face support, so no sagging. Well, when packages arrive, it's often small boxes with plastic parts or beads for molding. Actually, pros from a few are they might work okay for short photos or feel better than nothing at first. Cons, most get cheap plastic fronts or beads instead of real full dentures. Slips a lot, uncomfortable, breaks easy, and can hurt gums after short use. Now, before we dive into real results, let's quickly check if the website is trustworthy. Scam Advisor gives promo sites scores around 61 to 69 out of 100, with some flags like hidden owner details or low traffic on certain pages. Other tools say caution from dropship patterns and complaints. The domain is about 5 months old, which is young. Overall, it leans proceed with caution. Then, the real feedback. Trustpilot on similar denture sites shows low scores, and BBB Scam Tracker plus forums have many complaints. People who actually used it mention getting cheap plastic junk or beads instead of full sets, no suction or fit, pain from bad molding, and long waits. Many say it's just temporary fake teeth, not good for real eating or daily life. The pattern is consistent verdict, overhyped and disappointing. Most feel tricked by the ads. One key point, BBB Scam Tracker reports show bait and switch. Ads promise real full dentures, but you get cheap veneers or beads from China with partial refunds only after big fights and payments to different shady companies. So, putting it all together, the promises of custom USA-made fit and jaw protection don't match what arrives. You often get cheap knockoffs, medium-low trust scores, young domain, and lots of complaints on wrong products plus refund hassles. The picture clearly leans toward proceed with caution. My honest take, better skip it. This isn't a safe dental fix. Go see a real dentist for proper dentures to avoid pain, waste, or risks. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you. Just remember to protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.